Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BrandConnect with YouTube for sponsored deals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you are logged into your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, find and click on Monetization. Once on the monetization page, look for the BrandConnect tab. Click on the BrandConnect tab to access the BrandConnect interface. You will see a prompt to authorize your account for BrandConnect. Click on the Get Started button. Next, you will be directed to read the terms and conditions for using BrandConnect. Carefully review the terms and conditions. If you agree, click on the Accept button. At this point, you may be required to provide additional information. Fill out any requested information in the provided fields. Make sure to include accurate details about your channel's content and audience. After completing the required fields, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message once your authorization is successful. Check your email for any updates or additional steps required by YouTube. Once authorized, you can start exploring sponsored deal opportunities through BrandConnect. Regularly check the BrandConnect dashboard for potential sponsorships. You're now ready to collaborate with brands on sponsored content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.